Alright, in this video we are going to see how to create LMS website. LMS website is a learning management system. As you can see, we have a course. So this course is sign up form with validation, and it says the current status we have not enrolled and the price is free, and if you want to get started you need to click this button. And if you see, this is a description about the course. Don't look at the text, this is the dummy text. And then there are materials. If suppose I want to apply, I want to have some assignment or need to upload some uh, code or the images related to this course, I can upload on this section. And then we can see we have the course section. This course section is divided into something like 10 parts, and each of them has their individual subtopics. Let's see the first one. So if you see, we have subtopics of the introductory video, and we have a quiz here. So let me click on the quiz. So before getting it, we have to log in to enroll this. So login. I'm going to type the login. Click on the login button, and now you got signed into this website. Now as you can see, it says 0% complete, and now we can go for the quiz. Click on quiz. There is an option, please go back and complete the previous topic. So let's complete the topic. So what you have to do is you have to just mark this complete, and I have not added anything, that's why we could not see anything here. We can add video of this subtopic and the description about it as well. Mark this complete. So this is subtopic 2. So we have to complete all the subtopics into apply for the quiz. So as you can see, you can add images and some text. Mark as complete. So consider that we have also completed this topic as well. And finally we have completed the first lesson. So you can see we have added a video. It's just a YouTube link. Now let me get into the quiz, and now we can skip this button as well, but I made this button purposely. Start the quiz, and it says 30-second time, and this question has 1 points. And what is JavaScript? We have two options. Let me click the wrong one and click on next, and let me click the right one and click on submit. And now it is taking some time to calculate the result, and you will see the result once the page is loaded. So now it says we have reached, because we have just got 50%. It says better luck next time. So we can restart the quiz again. Now after completion of this course, we would be getting the certificate. Let me show you the certificate. So before that, we have to log this out or complete all the courses, and then only we would be able to get the certificate. So likewise, I would be getting each and every lessons. So actually this page is a course page, and what you see here, this is lessons, and I have renamed the lessons as sessions. I'll show you how to rename it. And now you can see there's a progress bar. Now I need to get each and every lessons and click complete course. So instead of making it complete, I have just logged in into the admin, and you have earned a certificate. If you click on the download button, you would see the certificate. So as you can see, there is blue tick, that means we have completed the course. It is taking some time to load the certificate, and you would see how to create a certificate. So before that, let me show you. So certificate of completion is presented to the username. Cool. Now in this video, we are going to see how to upload free video, paid video, and open video. So there's a difference between free video and open video. So for free video, you don't need to log in. For open video, you need to log in. And then we have added the introductory video, and how to upload the assignment in the material section, and then create quizzes, as I've shown you 2 questions and with options, and then we have the certificate. So these are the course. So in this course, we are going to see how these points as an highlight. So let's first install WordPress and Astra theme. So I have downloaded the WordPress and placed it on my htdocs folder. C drive, XAMPP, htdocs. So there is a WordPress. I need to extract it. So by the time it is getting extracted, let's create a database, and we are going to name the project as LMS2. So localhost/php myadmin, php myadmin. So we just need to click on new, and we can give the database name as LMS2. Cool, this is there, and our file is getting extracted. And about the LearnDash plugin, if you want to follow along with me, just mail me that you need LearnDash, and I'll send you the access link. Since this is paid, I'm not sharing it on the YouTube description box. And if you got stuck somewhere, just let me know. I'll try to solve the queries. Now we have extracted it. We just need to rename the WordPress folder to LMS2. Now we can access the LMS2 on the local host LMS2. So let me repeat it once again. We have course. So this is course page. Let me open the course page. So this is a course page. Then we have lessons. So these are lessons. So inside lessons we have topics. So if I expand, these are topics. So we have quizzes. So this is quiz. And that's assignment tab. So I believe our website is ready. Let's just install. Click on continue. We just need to pass the database LMS2, username or root, password nothing. Click on submit and just click on run installation, and need to set up the login, admin and admin. Confirm this is a weak password and your email address. Click on install WordPress. Now we need to install Astra, LearnDash, Elementor and WooCommerce, and then we need to set up WooCommerce. I believe you are aware of installing theme and plugins, so I'll be just quickly showing it the plugin name and click on install. That's it. So instead of why to waste time on installing the WordPress, let me just show you the plugin names. So on the plugins, you can just Google it, how to install plugin and how to install WordPress theme. You will get it. So login into dashboard, wp-admin, login with the created credential, admin and admin. So for the themes, click on appearance, then themes, then search for Astra, then click install. For plugin, again click on plugin, add new. We need to search for Elementor. Actually we don't need Elementor because we are not going to do anything with Elementor. Then WooCommerce, here already there is. So our WooCommerce is activated. Click on add new plugin for LearnDash, and now upload plugin, choose files. So this is the file. Let me add to archive. So the plugin is installed. Now it's time to activate. So LearnDash is installed. As you can see, we have courses, lesson, topic, quizzes, questions, certificate, group and assignments. Cool. Now let's set up the WooCommerce, because for payment we need WooCommerce. That's the reason. Or else let's do it at the end. Now the first thing, we are going to create the course. So to create the course, you have to click on the courses and create your first course, and you can see we can add course title, and here it is tab. Let's add the course called sign up form with JavaScript. Don't worry, this is just a title for the course. Now we can add the paragraph, or you can add the image. So here, to add the image, we have an option on the Astra, I believe. Click on the course and set featured image. So I'll download the certificate page as well as some random course which I might have used. So this is the course. Now if you want, we can have paragraph. Just type lorem ipsum, you'll get some text. Just copy this and paste it here. So if you see, so this is just the introductory part, not the introductory part, the course, the details about the course. So the image is the featured image, the title, and about the course. So just copy this. We can have text editor, something like that. Just copy the whole thing and paste it, and that's it. Now time for the page builder. Here let's see what are the things that we have. We have course builder, the quiz. We'll look at the quiz later on. Get into the settings. Do we have course material? Yes. So the course material, the download link of the code and something related to the code which you want to announce, you can paste it here. Then the course certificate, we have not created the course certificate. We'll be creating it, and then we will use the drop down. And the course need to be always visible, irrelevant of login and log out. Custom page we don't have custom lesson order. Access mode, so these are the three options which I was talking about. So free means, so open, this is not protected, that means it is going to stay even without login. You can access the course without login, so you can access the course with login. And this is the purchase. If you see, once you click on here, you can able to edit the let's say $50. We'll look at, it's USD right now. It will be displaying as USD, and I'll show you how to make this as INR. Now does this course have any prerequisite? That means, do we have any course that need to be completed in order to finish this course? No, we don't have anything like that. The course point, yes, once you complete the course, you will be awarded 100 points. Course expiration, that means after certain month the course will not be available. So if you want, you can make this is of days, 30 days or something like that. So this is lifetime free, one time purchase, so that's why I'm untaking it. So the course progression, so as I have already shown you, we have 10 sub modules. So you can access the 10 sub modules in a linear order or in a free form. That's what it's saying. So let's just make this as a linear itself. Now we have course user, we don't need to do anything about here. Now the group, so we can skip this group, click on publish. So let it publish. Copy this and paste it here. So this is how it looks, the course feature, the title, the course material, Let me just open this in incognito mode to see the price. So now you can see it says 50 USD and you require login. So let me make this as open. Where is update? And now after refreshing you can see this is accessible to all. So let me show you by making this free. So you require login in order to access the course. So now you can see the price is free and you need to log in order to access the course. Now let's get into the lessons. So as I've shown you, the course is going to have lessons. It is going to have add a lesson. So we can add the first lesson. Sorry for that. On the settings, do we have lessons for this lesson? Do we have material for this lesson? No. Video progression. So video progression is simply this video. This lesson should only show once you completed the video of certain course. That is what it meant. Since we have only one course, we are not going to touch this. Are we going to upload as assignments? No. Do we need to make the course to complete to what it says is forced lesson timer. That means if a person is viewing 1 hour, so we want to make this course completed, or else don't make the course completed. As we have already seen, we just made a click on the course completion button and we got the certificate. To prevent that, we can make this forced lesson timer and set the time at least 30 minutes or 1 hour in order to complete the course. Associated course, we don't have any course, or else we can type it sample lesson. So we can sample a lesson. So this is a sample lesson actually, as an introductory video, and video lesson scheduled. We can make this available immediately. Now on the lesson page, we don't need to do anything. Click on publish. And one problem is that we have not added lesson here. The step which I have shown you would be a mess. So if I click on lesson, it would say this lesson is not assigned to any course. How are we going to, you can see course is not assigned, so this step is wrong. Instead we can directly get into this builder and we have new lessons. Just click on it. Just insert this and click add lesson. The same way, get into the second step, add lesson, done. So now these lessons can have topics. So if you click here, you can add new topic. So let's say the first topic is get into appearance tab for this particular Astra theme. Add the task. Mouse is not working. Excuse me for a minute. Cool. Add this as a top topic. So let's just add only two, not on this one. Yes. So here what we can do is search for Astra theme. So this is another topic of a lesson. And that's it. Click on update. Now we have two subtopics assigned to assigned to this lesson. Now we can see this in this particular page. So actually two lessons is created. Let me see how. Learn, install. Okay, one is a mess. So this two is there. So you can see there is properly assigned. Now on the topics also we have created two topics, and this topic is assigned to lesson. So these two topics are assigned to lesson. Now in case if you want to edit these two topics, what you can do is you have to get into this lesson. So on a summary, this topic is inside lessons, lesson is inside course. In case if you want to edit them individually, you can create them on the course tab. You can see while creating you have to get into the course, and then builder you can just give the name. So actual editing is going to happen on the lessons and topics. So for the topic, let's first edit this, and we can add the video here, we can add the image here, we can add description as we have already seen. And this video press, just drag and drop it. I think one click would work. Now just need to pass the URL of the YouTube or any other resources. Just embed this, and again this topic has settings. Do we have materials? No. PDF progression, assignment upload, topic timer, the same thing actually. Associated course related to that. So click on update. So we have seen how to create courses, then lessons, then then topics. Now it's time for the quizzes. So we can create quizzes in two places. New quiz. So let's give the quiz name as WordPress quiz. So once you create it, you can see you can see and edit it on the quizzes tab. So here you should find quizzes. Now we have quizzes, WP quizzes. Click on edit. Then again, as we have seen, the topic is inside lesson, lesson is inside course. The same way the questions are inside quizzes. So we don't need to touch anything over here, and click on done. We can create questions. Creation is done here and editing is done on quizzes questions tab. Cool. And the same is going to be repeated. And what it says, associated course, no, we don't have anything. Associate lesson, though we don't have anything. Quiz free requested, that means in order to apply for this quiz we have to complete some quizzes or some lessons. So that's what we can modify here. Allowed user, only registered user can take the quiz. So for the passing score is 95%. The quiz certificate, we have not created any quiz certificate, so we can ask the quiz to be taken. So I think we can leave this blank. Custom question ordering, no. Additional question options, yes. So we can give questions options. That means quizzes option, that means on a tab, like as I have seen, this is WordPress quiz, so we can make it category as plugin and theme and related to payment gateway, that category. So we don't want this options for the quiz. We don't want the quiz to be more detailed, just a question and answer would help. So these are customizable. I'm leaving this to you. Click on builder. We are going to create a question. So WordPress WP full form, and what are the questions that we can give. WP full form, ask question, the add question. The second one, where is theme folder in WordPress. add question. Now to add these questions, the question is empty. Actually we have just given the name, so the question actually is here. What is WP full form? Click on save. Let's try to edit answer. So one thing, we can make that on the questions tab, not to worry. So edit this. This is actually a name. Let's edit the question. Where is the folder in Wordpress? Click on save. Click on update. Now get into the questions tab. We can give multiple choice option to this question, or we can make a single selection. So edit this, edit this. Now here we have questions. The right option is Wordpress, and let's add another option, and this is not correct, which is Wordpress. And now if the option is right, we can give message good work. If it is wrong, Google it. Actually, don't be, the message would be better luck next time, and you can give a hint and so on. Now as you can see, this is a single choice. You can make this multiple choice or free choice, anything. So this is a single choice. So click on update. The second one, WordPress full form. Actually the question is different, I believe. Here WP hyphen content, WP hyphen plugin. Click on update. Here the correct answer is Wordpress. The wrong answer is Wordpress. And you can give the success and failure message accordingly. So it's taking some time. So quiz is also ready. So now certificate. Click on certificate. Create your first certificate. Certificate name is course completion, and upload the certificate in the featured section, featured image section. So this certificate is very plain. So actually I would recommend the plain certificate, because the process is such a way. I'll show you how it's done. So if you see on the visual tab, the background will be changed as the certificate. If you click on publish, that's when we can see the certificate as a background image of this. So now on the visual tab, so the image is there. Now click here and enter. So you can see this is a cursor, so we have to place it in such a way. Type, we don't have to type, we have to get into the short code. So actually this is short code, and you should find user meta, and we need user first name. Click insert shortcode and space, and then again the shortcode, user last name. Click insert shortcode. So select these both shortcode and make it at the center, and have this as an H1. So click on update. So I believe our course is ready. for viewing. Let's see, we have from the course. You should find. So this is the course page. We have thumbnail image, and since we are in the admin, we are not able to see anything. So this is course, this is material, and these are the lessons. So let's try to finish this topics and then move into this. So before that, let me show you how does it looks in incognito without logging in. So complete this, mark as complete. Then again this next topic, mark as complete. So we have completed 2 topics, and then we can get into the quiz. Let's see whether the page is ready. Yes, you can see this is free, but you need to log in order to enter the course. So now the quiz is ready. Actually, the problem is we have created the quiz, but we have not updated it on the course. Refresh this page. Let's find a piece for the quiz. So this is the second one is the quiz, and then the certificate. Control F, RTI. So here we have certificates, course completion certificate, update. Now let's try to see the quiz. So we have to click start automatically without the start quiz button. On the demo we had a start quiz button, but we don't have start quiz button on this example. So now you can see we have completed. Actually it's over here, not for this topic. Free on the example you can we have seen the quiz on the subtopic, but this is for the whole. This quiz is for the whole course. So I can see there is no time limit for this course. Wordpress, and I think the second one is not changed properly. Let's see what the score is. You have reached 2 of 2 points. That means we have completed the course. Now we can move to the next step, which is we have completed the course. Now it's time to get the certificate. So you can see you have earned a certificate. Click on certificate. So we need to give the username and password. That's when we can see the user certificate. So on the users, all users, right now I think it would be blank. On the all users you will be able to set the first name and last name. Right? And then we have name and last name. Click on save, and now refresh it. Let's try to refresh this. So the name is available. So I think the scope of this video is done. Thank you so much for listening.